Okay. So it's 3:46 in the morning. I should be sleeping, but I wanna speedrun Wind Up because it's really easy. So I'm just gonna be speed up, no, Wind Up. Yeah, I've been griefing quite a lot.
He literally tried to kill me multiple times, and he did succeed multiple times.
Can you move, kid?
No. Ain't no way bro's gonna act like nothing happened.
Well, actually, no, because I'm recording. That kid likes raging.
Dude, this kid keeps trying to hit me off. You're the one that knocked 4 different people off while you were camping.
Yeah, you're a griefer, kid. You're a griefer. You're a griefer.
Yes.
Nah, mate, he contacted with that trampoline. Okay, well, I need to hurry up because that kid's gonna come get my ass.
No, he's good.
Move! I'm trying to make a video. Move!
This kid literally gaslighting me. What? This is crazy.
Let me, whoa, buddy. As I said, I'm gonna get griefed. Quite a lot.
Please.
It's a bit sad, but I don't really care.
Please.
Excuse me, folks.
Okay, you're off our target, so you're not getting targeted, or you're not getting thank you. No more hitting, because this is only grief to grief.
You killed me. This kid killed me. Oh. No, I didn't mean to. I actually didn't mean to. That was my fault. I didn't mean to. Please don't. I'm actually trying to record a video.
First of all, you didn't fall off, which is a good thing. So.
Well, just stop, okay? I'm not a griefer anymore. I'm trying to record a video. I'm trying to make a video. I'm trying to speedrun this.
Okay.
Thank you.
Roseme! The gang right there. No, yeah. Roseme over there.
I had a little chat with them, guys.
Roseme.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Bro, you hit me off earlier. Don't do that.
Oh.
Bro, I said don't do that.
That kid's kind of my enemy, so gonna have to
No. One might have been on accident, but I don't care, because you did one.
Timmy's having scraps. Last time I kind of died because of this. It sent me a bit. It just sent.
Okay, you're good.
Don't distract me, please.
He's off our wanted list. You're on my wanted list. You're off my wanted list.
Jesus Christ, what the hell is going on?
You're back on our wanted list. Buddy, you're back on our wanted list. Where is he?
Ow! I just hit my wardrobe, but I clutched up.
Are you trying to gaslight me that I don't remember? You're literally sitting on top of the place with bangers. Kids off when they were trying to
I was legit just right there. That's the end.
First of all, you kept hitting people off for no reason, and we're part of the.
I would have beaten this already. It's only because some of the kids
No. And you're part of, and you're a griefer. So
really annoying. I'm not actually gonna go to second level.
Everybody's target Fox did.
Yeah, I won. So see you guys later, and hope you enjoyed. And I'm really sorry for posting. Like I've stopped posting, but I will be posting more, and I'll see you in the next video.